गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। व्लॉग।
घना कोहरा छा रहा है भाई।
उम्मीद मत करना कि आज ब्लॉग बहुत अच्छा बनेगा, क्योंकि ठिठुर ऐसे ब्लॉग बनाएंगे। ठंडी लग रही है। और व्लॉग बनाने जा रही हूँ। आज बहुत ही स्पेशल डे है। मेरी कज़न सिस्टर का जो है सगन है। और एलोवेरा का प्लांट लगा लिया है हमने। बहुत ज़्यादा स्किन केयर DIYs होते थे, तो हम दूसरों के घर से चुरा के एलोवेरा या मांगते थे, आंटी प्लीज़ एलोवेरा दे दो। अब हम अपना खुद का पेड़ लाए हैं। अब किसी को
आंटी एलोवेरा दे दो ना। आंटी बोलती अपना होगा।
तो हमने लिया है। और दूसरी बात ये कि आज हम जो है, सबसे पहले तो मैं गेट रेडी, जल्दी से मैंने नहा लिया है। बस अब मैं अनाई अभी भी सो रही हूँ कि बहुत सुबह का टाइम है, जैसे कि आप देख सकते हो। तो मैंने सोचा जल्दी से मैं गेट रेडी विथ मी बना लेती हूँ आप लोगों के लिए। तो So here is my outfit for today. I had already done a get ready with me, so you can definitely go forward and see what the makeup I did and everything. I just changed a little bit of jewelry, not too much. I not use this same ring which I used for get ready with me, because it was a very big ring and Anna wanted to eat that, so that's why I forget about that ring. And yeah, let's see what Anna's wearing. And here is my dad and Arjun. You can see their outfits. They are really busy right now. So let's go and see what Anna is wearing. Buriya! छोटा बड़ी, छोटा बेबी कौन है? ये तो पारा बाबू है। Anna is crying because she wanted to eat मसाले वाले चावल, और हमने थोड़े से खिला दिए, बट हम डर रहे हैं, इसमें मिर्ची बहुत तेज है। और ये रोए जा रही है, इसको वही खाना है। एनु तो पीती है। एनु मेरी बेटी मम्मू पीती है। Anna is dancing non-stop, and you just saw performance of my niece Anantya on an amazing song which I cannot include because of the copyrights and all them things. But I will try to, include that on Facebook. So we are back at home and we will go back to their place once more, but we are back at home. So what I'm doing here is, first of all, I sanitized all her milk bottles, and we are making tea, me and my dad, he's helping me, and we are preparing for Anna's food as well. Because it's really difficult if you're going somewhere out, it's really difficult to feed your kid at somebody else's house. So that's why she's going to drink milk, as well as I will feed her with something like chocos or something which she can easily eat, because she's a fuzzy eater. She will not, if I will make her eat like khichdi or dal chawal. Dal chawal probably she likes it a little bit, so she can eat like 1 or 2 tablespoons of that, but not that much. Let's see what hubby and Anna is doing. Hubby changed and Anna is still in her clothes. I don't want to change her clothes because I don't want to disturb her. She's sleeping. She slept in the car and I don't want to disturb her at all, because she's 12 o'clock is the time for her to sleep, and she didn't sleep for like till 5 o'clock. So she is right now very, very tired, and she was dancing, she was playing around. I'm really happy to see that she was really enjoying herself, which is like a blessing kind of thing. Okay, I'm back. Anna took a nap, and I was taking care of her. She is laughing and smiling right now. Oh, she is so happy. We are going to do party now.
Anna, you're looking so pretty, baby.
And she's wearing an amazing dress from
You're looking
Kids
pretty.
Headquarter, hopscotch. You guys know that I love hopscotch. And this is my lehenga. You had already seen this. It's from Biba, amazing. I love this lehenga. If you can find this, trust me, go try it and buy it. Now it's pretty late, it's 8ish, and we are going back to their house to party. So let me take you there. Look how much fun we are having here. Everybody is laughing. We are going back to home now, and you can see loud music. Everybody is enjoying here, but unfortunately we cannot stay because Anna and you guys know it's really difficult to stay with the kids, huh? So that's why we are going back to home. and probably tomorrow I will stay here, and yeah, so let's go back home, and I want to say bye bye to everybody, and thanks a lot for appreciating my vlog videos because it really means a lot to me. Hit on that like button for me and hit on that subscribe button. बहुत दिनों से मैं देख रही हूँ, वीडियोस देखे जा रहे हो बट सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे हो. सब्सक्राइब करना इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, so do subscribe. Bye bye.